guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you've been around for a video too, you can probably tell my background's a little different. I am in the process of moving, so I quickly got my lights together, just put those up so I can film this video. So just if you're curious why this is different. I just received the Sephora Play box. This is the March box, so let's open these goodies. Now it is already open. I did not look inside, guys. You know I wouldn't do that to you, but my mother did because she just wants to know before everyone. So here we go. When you open the package, it's going to look like this. It has a little Sephora thing. It goes love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks. Sephora.com/play. It just comes in this little box here, and then ooh, this is cute. This is the package, the paper for what all we got today. Okay, it says, what's your festival beauty vibe? And then it's like, are you going to the festival? Yes, no. Have you ever been to one? No, for sure. It's one of those things where it's like you answer yes if you have, and then at the bottom it goes down all your answers, and then you have your 50 extra beauty points from Sephora, and then what all comes in our box today. Today's box, I am not exactly sure what the base of it is. I know it seems like it's all focused on like stuff you could bring to festivals. This is probably my favorite bag so far. It's like a nice little tie-dye blue bag, and it goes, beauty is my spirit animal. It's cute there, it's very soft. So the first thing we have here is the Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is a mini one, so when you open it here, you can see a little eyeliner there. I'll just show you the line. Nice black line there. This is an easy to apply waterproof liquid eyeliner that dries fast and stays all day. So if you're going to a festival or anything, if you're like hot in the sun this summertime, this is waterproof. It stays all day, so if you get wet, you're going swimming, this might be the eyeliner for you. Like that advertising? I know. Hire me. Okay, so our next thing we have is this Chorus, I believe I'm spelling it right. This is a Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser for all skin types. This little cleanser here. It is a luxurious cream to foam cleanser that contains skin-loving Greek yogurt. Honestly, Greek yogurt, so maybe you can eat it. It's all natural content, or it's 86.4% natural content. So maybe don't eat it, but if you happen to get some in your mouth when you're putting it on, I don't think it's the end of the world. Ooh, it smells really nice though. It smells like if you're eating some Greek yogurt too. Here's an idea. Get some Greek yogurt, eat this while you have the mask on. Perfect night. Perfect. Okay, so next one is the IGK Hydrating Hair Balm. This is a like little backstage balm thing. A nourishing leave-in conditioner that boosts your hair's hydration for shiny, fit, frizz-free style. That's a little tongue twister there. Sorry. It contains coconut oil to detangle, repair, and smooth your strands. So if you go to a festival and if your hair gets frizzy, so maybe if you have like really curly hair, I know my sister has really curly hair, this might be really good for her, and it'll just keep her hair smooth and soft and controlled in the summer. And she lives in Florida, so like if you live in a place that has a lot of what's the word, it's really humid, perfect for you guys. Next we have is the Sugar Group. Little nice thing right there. This is the Defense Refresh Setting Mist with Rosemary. It is a refreshing setting spray and sunscreen duo. So when you're dancing away, you need a setting spray that gets the job done. This rosemary and mint infused formula works overtime to keep oil at bay and defend against UV rays while cooling you off. So you're going to a festival, once again, imagine you need some makeup on, you have your makeup on, and you're like, hey, I need my makeup to stay and I need some sunscreen, but sometimes when I put sunscreen on, it's a little sticky. This is where this little thing comes in handy. You spray it on and it's 2-in-1, sunscreen and setting spray. Doesn't get better than that, guys. This is the world of beauty nowadays. It's amazing. Next one we have here is the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. This is a moisturizing balm that energizes tired skin with ultra fine pearls. So this formula is like a perfect pick-me-up when you need a pick-me-up, and energizes your skin. It just brightens it and reflects it because it's like illuminating, you know. Now what I will probably be doing with this is I mix a lot of my like illuminator small little creams like this in my primers. So like my MAC strobe cream that I got in the last package, I believe, I've been mixing this in my primers, and it just leaves a nice glow for the base of the skin to have the other makeup build off of, and I find that it just looks very nice and just nice illuminating base to start your makeup off with. Last but not least, this is this month's bonus track. It is I'm going to pronounce this wrong. I apologize in advance to everyone who likes this brand and the brand, but it is Amica. I believe that's how you say it. This little colorful, really pretty packaging right here. It is an Amica Nourishing Mask, a deep conditioning mask that hydrates and repairs damaged strands while adding a major shine. So the on-key benefits of it is it deeply conditions, repairs damage, and increases shine of your hair. So when you're like going to that festival, we're all talking about Coachella. Oh my gosh, Coachella. Like, imagine going to Coachella and you wash your hair with this and it just leaves your hair really shiny, repairs all the damages. So everyone walking around will be like, I wish I had her hair, like that looks amazing. And they will ask you what you're using and you could say, the Amica Nourishing Mask. I'm telling you guys, you need to like hire me to advertise for your brand because I'm doing fantastic. That is all that came in this month's bag, the Sephora Play March bag. So the Sephora Play boxes are $10 a month. It automatically charges in your account if you just have it signed up that way. You can go for a year, see how you like it. You could get one box, cancel it if you don't really like it. I seem to really like these because it's something I can try things with that I really wouldn't have before or just wouldn't have picked up. Like honestly, I don't think I would have picked up this IGK, the hydrating hair balm, but I really do think it's something I will be able to use, or my sister will be able to use if she wants to try it out. Megan, if you watch these, comment down below and I will send you this. Thank you. So once again, I will leave the link to this box down below so you can sign up for it and maybe try it out yourself. I hope to give you a little insight of what comes in this month's box. You enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media listed down below. I am Kate and I will see you guys next time. Bye.